Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect, how to use and how to overcome problems with your mobile gas heater. The first thing you need to do is connect the gas heater to the gas cylinder. It is important to know that you can use from 8 to 15 kilogram gas cylinder. You can use propane or butane, and you can use different regulators depending on the gas cylinder that you use. To connect the mobile gas heater to your gas cylinder, you need to use a rubber hose and a Jubilee clip. So the hose goes into the connection right here, and then you have to tighten it with the Jubilee clip. In the packaging of the mobile gas heater, you would find a rubber hose and a gas regulator. The gas regulator is for butane because we recommend using butane with this mobile gas heater because it's less hazardous for indoor use. We are using a longer hose, but in the packaging you will find a shorter one which is 50 centimeters. It will be easier for you so it will not hang out from the heater. Now that you have connected the mobile gas heater, you have to light it up. In order to do so, you need to push the control knob for 10 seconds or so, and then press the automatic piezo ignition. If the mobile heater doesn't light up once you do this procedure, it is because of the safety device. So you need to hold down this knob for 10 seconds or so in order for the safety device to heat up. This is one of the problems that you may have with this heater. Another issue that you may experience is that you might have small quantity of gas in the gas cylinder, or the gas in the gas cylinder might be compressed. This is because the butane gas compresses when it's cold outside. So you need to find a way to heat up the gas into the gas cylinder, so you can use a tank with hot water or something like that if there is an issue with the lighting up of the heater. You can regulate the flame on the gas heater from this knob. So as you turn it anti-clockwise, you would see that the plates on the heater will light up one by one. So this is for the second plate and this is for the third plate. In order to turn the heater off, you need to stop the gas flow from the gas regulator. This is the only way. So just stop the gas supply and it will turn off. Then you can put the knob into the first position.